Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to be showing you how to release a zip tie without cutting it. It's actually quite easy to do. This will save you from having to buy more zip ties because you can just reuse them. I'm going to show you two methods on how to do this, again, without scissors. Let's get to it. All right, we got a standard zip tie. I'm going to lock it and then show you how this works. As you can see, it is locked now. Now, if we get really close, you'll see a little notch on the inside there that actually clicks into all those little rivets on the inside there. All you have to do to release it is bend it back, and then I use my thumb to use my fingernail, pull down on that little tab while you pull, and it'll release so you can reuse it again. Now, the second method I'm going to be showing you comes in handy if you can't get to this little notch, this little latch easily, or maybe it's backwards, so it's just impossible to get to. I'm going to show you another method on how to release this quickly and easily. All right, so for the second method, I have the zip tie attached to a little leg chair. You're going to need some pliers. Now, this can cause a little bit of damage, but mostly to the outside. It still will be reusable, but this can come in handy again if you can't get your fingernail in that little notch. All you're going to have to do is clamp on top widthwise, push down with a little bit of force, and pull. And as you can see, it is released. Here's a different angle. Again, you're just going to want to go on the sides, give it some good force, and pull, and it will release. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to unlock zip ties. Please hit that like button if you did.